Good morning, guys. It is Monday the 11th, I think it's the 11th. I'm going to show you guys the Hurricane Irma aftermath right now. So, let's go. Out here in the backyard, it didn't really do much damage. It didn't really do any damage, to be honest. So, yeah. Just a whole bunch of leaves on the floor. We're walking. And walking. Go see the tree that fell in front of my house. It's this tree right here that fell. My tree that's in front of the house fell. But other than that, we didn't get much more damage than that. So thank God. So, yeah, that was basically all the damage that happened in my house. Not too bad. And the tree is always fixable. My dad's gonna lift it. We're here cleaning up. There's a shingle from the roof. Cleaning up leaves. Trying to put everything back to normal. We chopped off some of the trees so that people can pass by, because my dad is going to try to save it and try to lift it up. I don't know how he's going to do it, but he is. So we chopped off as much as we could and we dragged it over here. Hey guys, quick update. It is, I never know the time, sorry. It's 5:31. It's Monday, 5:31 p.m. and we are still here doing pickup and all that stuff. The tree, like I showed you guys earlier, we did cut down some of the branches so that people could pass by because it was in the middle of the road. And now we're just putting back all the fences that are in the backyard, like I showed you guys yesterday. Putting all the fences up, and our house didn't get that much damage, thank God. We just got the tree and a couple shingles on the roof, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all that happened to us. But the noises outside were super scary. Like, hearing it from the inside was terrible. I did go out a couple times. Not go out per se, but like we opened the door just a little bit to see what was going on outside. I did get some footage for that for you guys. That's going to be in yesterday's vlog. But right now, probably when you see this, I probably would have uploaded yesterday's vlog, Sunday's vlog, which was yesterday, and this one. But right now we have no power, no Wi-Fi, nothing. I barely have reception. I get reception every once in a while, like a text will come through, but I don't have any reception, so I have no way of communicating with anybody. So yeah, it depends. If it's in a certain area or a certain spot in the house, then I might get a text or something, but that's pretty much it. So hopefully when you guys are seeing this, the vlogs will probably be up, but I'm not sure because right now there's no power. I don't know when it's going to be fixed. There's a lot of people without power in South Florida, and if you hear that noise, I'm sorry, it's the generator. We have the generator running, but still the Wi-Fi doesn't work with the generator. The TV doesn't work either, and I have this light on just to give you guys this update, but we don't want to put so much pressure on the generator, so that's why we can't use it so much. So we can't use the electricity so much in the house. But right now I'm just charging up all of my things. I'm charged for now, so when it's nighttime, we just use the fans and that's it. So I don't want to put so much pressure on the generator. So right now I'm charging my juice box, my phone, and my computer, just to have them charged. That's what I'm doing right now. But yeah, we're just cleanup crew right now. I'm making some rice out in the barbecue and some drumsticks in the barbecue as well, like chicken drumsticks. But for those of you that don't know. But yeah, my brother's in the pool. The pool is cold, but it's hot out here. Like, it's so weird how the weather just changes because it is so sunny outside right now. So sunny and windy. If you sit in a shaded area, you get a really nice breeze, but other than that, it is hot outside, and it's hot in here too. I can't wait for this to be over. This is hard, but I love taking the cold showers. Are the best when you're really hot, but I'm not gonna take one until before I go to bed, so that when I go to bed I can just whoop, lay down and sit still as I can so I don't move. But yeah, that's my update for you guys right now. I will check back with you guys later and maybe show you guys outside a little bit, but right now we're just cleanup crew where I'm cooking. I will actually have to go check on the chicken right now, and yeah, that's us right now. Might be a little blurry, but that's my dad. I went out there a little while ago. I just came back inside to check my phone because there's just one spot in the house where I get reception, or a little bit of reception. So yeah, there. Now he's trying to lift. He's gonna try to lift the tree up. I don't know if today, but he's really trying to make an effort. We cut all the branches off so that it can be a little bit easier for us to pick the tree up. So yeah, look at all the bushes over there. That's my brother. But yeah, that's update, and it is 7:16 here p.m. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now, and let me go back outside to go help.
We're getting ready to move this tree, guys. In the middle, put it in the middle. Okay. That's my dad. We're gonna move this tree up. Huh? Moving the tree, guys. The tree is up, people. The tree is up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Way over there. The chain broke over there. But that's good. It's up. We can pull it. We can push it. You gotta have a board. You got any boards? That's fine. Let me. Thank you. Put a couple boards under there. Put the board out. Thank you. Thank you. 6 sets for the tree. Now we have to put like boards around it so that it won't move. Perfect. Dad is pushing with the old van.
pushing it more so that the tree stands up straight, but right now it's kind of crooked. So that's what we're doing right now. Let me take my asiento. Take my seat. It's getting kind of dark out here, so I apologize if the lighting is not all that great. We're trying to push it more. This is scary. This is kind of scary, I think, but.
¿Sabes qué? Que la boda es así. Y cuando venga el poquito, hablo con él para la derecha. Entonces hablo un poquito, ¿no? No, la habría dejado para allá. No queremos jalar un momentico, dejarlo. No, que la vamos, porque ya la derecha.
So yeah. I'm gonna let you guys go because it's getting dark out here because I can't really see nothing. Or you guys can't see nothing.